On a sunny afternoon, Mama Cat had a wonderful new idea for an adventure. Together, the busy little family began transforming their old bicycle cart into something truly magical. Ta-da! A beautiful, round glass submarine, ready to explore the deep secrets of the pond. Mama Cat packed a delicious picnic basket, and the excited little adventurers climbed right inside. With a pull of the lever and a soft splash, their deep-sea journey began. Down, down they went, leaving the sunny world above for a sparkling kingdom below. The children watched in pure wonder as the underwater lights danced softly all around them. Along the way, they passed a polite little choir of sea snails, singing a cozy welcome tune. Look! A glowing school of neon goldfish painted the deep blue water with streaks of gold. A friendly purple octopus swam up close just to say a warm hello. Mama Cat steered them deeper down, into a beautiful forest of glowing pink coral reef. Suddenly, the little duckling spotted a magnificent, shining gateway hidden under the waves. They had discovered a hidden, miniature city beneath the pond, filled with friendly little sea creatures. A very polite gentleman frog tipped his tiny top hat to welcome the unusual visitors. Beautiful blue jellyfish floated gracefully overhead, lighting up the town like living street lamps. The duckling pressed a special pedal, releasing a stream of giant bubbles for the neighborhood kids to play with. Ahead rose a spectacular castle made entirely of white seashells, waving long banners of green kelp. Whoops! A sudden current pushed them a little off course, giving them a soft, bouncy surprise. They drifted into a deep canyon, but thousands of tiny plankton lit up the dark path like stars in the night sky. A wise, gentle old sea turtle opened one big eye and blew a sweet heart-shaped bubble to send them on their way. The bunny watched the lovely bubble float away as the submarine pointed up toward a beautiful cave. Mama Cat carefully guided them inside, where pulsing aquamarine crystals made the glass shimmer with light. With a sudden pop, they surfaced inside a secret air pocket, lit by a magnificent dome of golden crystals. As the hatch opened, the happy little kids hopped out onto the smooth, warm beach to stretch their paws. Mama Cat unrolled the picnic blanket, but the magic cave had a funny trick. Everything began to float. The delicious fish crackers drifted right up into the air, dancing in the weightless breeze. The kitten leaped gracefully for a mid-air snack, while the bunny used its long ears to track a floating treat. The little duckling hovered happily, chasing a floating water droplet until it burst into a cloud of glitter. Mama Cat chuckled warmly, gently tapping a floating milk bowl to guide it safely back down. Floating upside down together, the fluffy babies giggled, completely cozy in their magical hidden haven. Back on the ground, a friendly little cave snail offered them a tiny, glowing gift. The bunny placed the magical mushroom right in the center, lighting up their cozy picnic with a warm amber glow. As the magical picnic came to an end, everything gently drifted back down into the basket. They climbed back inside their submarine, full of happy memories and ready for the journey home. With a smooth dive, the submarine slipped back into the cool, deep blue waters. On the way, they passed a grand parade of seahorses dancing in beautiful, glowing circles. Gentle giants with skin like starry skies swam alongside them to bid them a playful farewell. The tired little adventurers couldn't keep their eyes open any longer, drifting into a sweet sleep. Mama Cat smiled warmly at her sleeping family, steering them back up toward the sunlit world. With a bright splash, they were back home under the warm, comforting afternoon sun. Back on the ground, a friendly little cave snail offered them a tiny, glowing gift. The bunny placed the magical mushroom right in the center, lighting up their cozy picnic with a warm amber glow. As the magical picnic came to an end, everything gently drifted back down into the basket. They climbed back inside their submarine, full of happy memories and ready for the journey home. With a smooth dive, the submarine slipped back into the cool, deep blue waters. On the way, they passed a grand parade of seahorses dancing in beautiful, glowing circles. Gentle giants with skin like starry skies swam alongside them to bid them a playful farewell. The tired little adventurers couldn't keep their eyes open any longer, drifting into a sweet sleep. Mama Cat smiled warmly at her sleeping family, steering them back up toward the sunlit world. With a bright splash, they were back home under the warm, comforting afternoon sun. Back at the dock, the little ones rubbed their sleepy eyes, safe and sound in their own beautiful garden. The next morning, Mama Cat placed a special souvenir on the windowsill to remember their incredible journey. When the bunny listened closely, the sweet song of the sea snails echoed softly from inside. The kitten searched for the singers, while the duckling flapped its wings with a happy quack. Mama Cat brought in a delicious breakfast, wrapping her happy family in a big, cozy hug. And down below the waves, their new friends were already looking forward to the next big splash. For there is no adventure too big, and no world too deep, when you explore it with the ones you love. Adventure is always sweeter when it's shared. As twilight fell over the cottage, Mama Cat brought out one last bit of deep-sea magic. With a sprinkle of magical sand, the living room rug transformed into a glowing, moving ocean reef. The kitten chased the glowing lightfish, while the bunny danced among the magical bubbles. The little duckling swayed as if floating on the waves, while Mama Cat knitted a cozy new sweater. The ocean light turned to gold as a friendly, glowing jellyfish floated right up into the room. Feeling the warmth of the magical reef, the sleepy little bunny slowly began to drift off to sleep. Mama Cat gently scooped up her tired little adventurers and tucked them safely into their cozy basket. The ducklings snuggled right in the middle as the ocean magic softly faded into the warm firelight. Wrapped in love and warmth, they dreamed of the deep blue kingdom. Every dream holds a drop of magic. The next morning brought a fresh mystery. A tiny treasure chest had washed up on the shore. Inside, resting on soft moss, was a beautiful blue pearl that hummed with a magical song. With a touch, the pearl revealed a secret holographic map leading to the legendary sunken garden. With their new map in hand, the brave family dived back into the deep pond. The bright searchlight cut through the tall kelp forest, lighting up hidden pathways. The bunny pointed the way to a narrow stone tunnel hidden just ahead. Inside, a row of friendly firefly squids changed colors to light their way. They emerged into the breathtaking sunken garden, a paradise of glowing crystal flowers. Tiny sea fairies danced gracefully around an ancient underwater cat statue. The kitten found a playful new friend who copied every little tilt of its head. They watched in wonder as crystal flowers released streams of glowing bubbles into the sea. Oh dear! The kind duckling spotted a little starfish that needed some help. With a gentle touch of the mechanical arm, the grateful little starfish was free. The whole garden glowed with joy, chiming a sweet melody that warmed the family's hearts. Tired from their wonderful rescue, the little ones nuzzled close as they began the quiet journey home. They drifted past the old turtle, who was already fast asleep under a blanket of starlight. The submarine gently rose to the surface just as the sky turned to beautiful shades of twilight. Mama Cat lifted her sleeping babies out, wrapping them in a big, warm towel. She placed their new treasure on the table, where it cast a beautiful, soft nightlight glow. With a tender kiss for each little head, she tucked them safely into their big, soft bed. Safe and sound, they drifted into sweet dreams. Love is the anchor of every journey. A beautiful new morning arrived, bringing a fresh breeze and clear skies to the garden. The children were already wide awake, playing happily around the magical bicycle cart. Oops! A little stumble, but their friends are always there to help them back up. Mama Cat smiled proudly, calling her helpful little team over for a sweet treat. Sitting beneath the big oak tree, even a passing butterfly came over to join the fun. There was always enough kindness to share with every little creature in the garden. Down by the water, their trusty glass submarine rested, waiting for the next grand journey. Days turned into weeks, and the warm summer green slowly changed into the golden colors of autumn. As the air grew crisp, Mama Cat brought out cozy new sweaters for her growing family. Everyone looked perfectly snug and ready to explore the cooler, breezy days. They watched golden leaves drift across the pond, looking just like a tiny fleet of ships. Together, they sat by the water's edge, enjoying the quiet beauty of the changing world. And out from the waves, some old friends popped up to wave a happy autumn hello. As evening set in, the warm glow of the lantern guided them safely back inside. Sipping warm cider by the crackling fire, the tired little adventurers drifted into comfort. No matter how far they traveled, the sweetest adventure of all was always coming home. Home is where our stories live. The final, silent credit screen. A soft, tiny cartoon illustration of the kitten, bunny, and duckling sleeping in a fluffy pile inside the submarine basket appears in the corner. The screen slowly and